my beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another collab from Just for Kiara. We also have a discount code which is Nancy, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the difference between my dark brown eyes and these right here. Aren't these beautiful and insane? So if you guys want to see this new collaboration, the best color contacts for dark brown eyes and the color brown, then keep on watching. Alrighty you guys, so the first pair that I have here, these are, you can tell like the huge difference of the lens. This is the color lens, the Nella Brown. Such a really beautiful, stunning color, and the difference, you guys, of the color contact. I really like, you can definitely tell these are comfortable on the eyes. Nella Brown. And I also have a prescription here, so they carry these with prescription and without prescription. These color contact are one of my favorites. I have wear them on one of my pictures and I got so many compliments because people really thought that that was my natural brown eye color, and it's really not. This color contact has made my eyes look really like natural. I really like how it has the limbo ring, which is kind of like a navy blue, and then it has that tint of brown in the middle part of the color contact by the pupil hole. The pupil hole as well, I want to mention you guys, it's perfect. It's not too big nor is too small to the point where you can't see anything. I really like and love the comfortability of these lenses. They never ever literally fail me. That's what I like. They're not, I had wear these color contacts up to 12 hours and they don't dry out on me. We have this other color here. These are in the name Cynthia Hazel, and look at this beauty. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Like, even, oh my goodness, I'm just like so obsessed with this color. It has a limbo ring, definitely does, you guys can tell, but it's such a really beautiful hazel color. Like, wow, from dark brown eyes to a hazel eye color, you guys. The comfortability as well, it's really thin. You don't feel the color contact on the eyes at all. These are beautiful. Look at that detail. It makes it look so real, you guys. These beautiful color contacts. This hazel has definitely stolen my heart. I really love this color. Oh my gosh, it's literally like the best color for dark brown eyes. If you guys want to change to a brown color but hazel, these are beautiful. Look at them. Wow, you guys, look at the detail as well. They look super duper natural. So now let's back out of the camera so you guys can see how they look. I'm literally like shooken of how they look. So this is the color. What do you guys think? Isn't it such a really beautiful color? Like, you can't even tell that these are color contacts. They look so beautiful. Like, wow, it's incredible how they look. Like, really beautiful. Wow, this color is beautiful as well. They remind me so much of the last pair that I have tried. But you guys, this lens, it is a little bit more bigger. It is measuring a little bit more bigger on the size of the color contact. The diameter of the color contact is 14.5, so they are a little bit bigger. That's why you can definitely tell the huge difference of how my regular eye color looks and how it looks on the eye. This one looks more bigger and rounded, so it makes a huge difference of the eyes looking more bigger and more like juicy brown. Or the Gender G Brown, and this is the name and prescription. Oh my gosh, I cannot see through one eye. Definitely cannot see at all. The comfortability as well, it's really good, and it makes it look natural, you guys. I don't know if you guys like lenses that are bigger of diameter and makes your eyes look more bigger. Here you go, you have the ginger G brown. So oh my gosh, these are beautiful. It just makes my eyes look so big and really beautiful. Like I cannot stare staring at myself. I'm just like, oh my gosh, my eyes look literally so huge. So if you have like really small eyes, I don't know if these would be okay for you to wear because the lens is more of a bigger diameter. Really beautiful brown color, like it's really beautiful. As you can see, the detail of the lens, they look insanely natural on the eyes, you guys. This is the zoom out of the lens. I really love how they look. It's really natural, and like I was mentioning, it makes my eyes look more bigger than what they are right now. But they're so beautiful. I really like them. They're super comfortable as well. No itchiness, no roughness, no dryness on the eyes. So it's really good. There's Sea Brown. So they look like this. That's the name. And pretty much this is how the lens look. This is more of a darker brown, definitely. And this color lens also has a diameter of 14.5, so they are as big as the other ones, the last ones that I did. But the comfortability as well, they look really good. These lenses are definitely more of a darker color than the ones that I have tried before this one. I really recommend it because I mean, like, if you're not into like really bright colors of a hue change either on the eyes, then this color is definitely it for you. Sea Brown, this is how they look. Really beautiful. I wanted to mention really quick because it had happened to me before where I apply the color contact. Sometimes whenever you apply it and you're like, oh my gosh, it's on this side, sometimes you can notice the difference whenever they're turned backwards because they look lighter and you can feel like the lens in your eyes. That's whenever I feel like they're backwards of the lenses, I notice it because they're either sliding down or stuff like that. So whenever you have it the correct way, like the color lens, you can definitely the lens is not gonna move anywhere. So I just want to make sure and tell you guys about how the lens works and how you can tell like if it's backwards. And this is how the lens look if you were to be on the zoom out. Like I did mention, these are definitely more into a darker brown color, more like a coffee, a little bit of hint of hazel in the middle part, but they are still beautiful color. Don't confuse these with the Cynthia Brown because I know their names could be confusing. So make sure if you guys want to buy the Sunita Brown, these are it, because there's a huge difference between the Cynthia Brown and the Sunita Brown. The Sunita Brown, they look more of a hazel kind of greenish color in the middle part. It also has a limbo ring like the other ones do. I just want to mention to you guys about that, and make sure you're picking the correct lens because I do not want to confuse you. I mentioned they have a limbo ring and also their diameter is 14.2 for these, so these are a little bit more of a smaller size than from the 14.5. 14.5, they're definitely more bigger, just want to put it out there. And then they have a 14.2 and 14. These are beautiful. Sunita Brown. Ooh, both of the Sunita Brown. Wow, you guys, look at this color. Isn't it such a really sexy, like, I look like I can look at you like I'm gonna hypnotize you. Wow, this color is definitely eye-catchy, definitely like so sexy. Like if you're trying to impress somebody, then these are definitely it. Look at my beautiful eyes, you guys. Wow, this color has definitely changed my life. The way that I look, the way that everything, like literally, like this brown color, like hazel brown color, definitely has changed. But not least, we have the Norco Brown. So this is the Norco Brown, and this is how they look on the eyes. These are in the diameter of 14.5, so these are definitely more of a bigger lens. Like as you can see on the video, these are more of a, not too of a big of a change, you guys. Like the other ones, they were my favorite. But these are still of a big change, like how big they are. In the lens, it's a little bit of making a difference of the lenses here. These are really beautiful. I noticed on my last video, I don't know if you guys can see the difference, like I had it backwards, so it made the lens look more of a lighter color, and it was kind of backwards to the point where you could feel the lens. But on here I don't feel it at all. That's why my eye was red, because I was like, wait, this feels really uncomfortable. So I switched it back, and you can definitely tell as well the color and how the limbo ring on the other side looks. So I turned it the other way, and now my eyes feel so comfortable and so nice. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the whole video. I hope that you guys enjoy every single one of these color contacts from JUST4KIRA, and I'm so happy that I'm doing this video for you guys, because you guys wanted something different of comparing like the best color contacts from JUST4KIRA on the colors like brown, blues, grays. And don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the little bell so you can get notified every single time I upload, you guys. And I'll see you guys on my next video, so make sure you guys don't want to miss out. So make sure that you subscribe and click the bell so you can see which lenses I'm trying on next, or which color I'm doing with them, and different brands that I work with. And please don't forget to use our discount code, which is Nancy, so you can get money off on your next pair of purchasing lenses from JUST4KIRA. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.